Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cecelia O, and my YouTube channel is Cecelia O's World. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to make keto spinach pancake. And to make this keto spinach pancake, I'll be using a couple of ingredients that I have here. Just a little bit about my YouTube channel. I do a lot about health ingredients that I'm using again. So I have this non-stick cooking spray. I'll be spraying this onto the pan that I'll be using for the pancake, and then the baking powder too. You can get any type of baking powder, and don't forget to use 100% whole wheat. If your goal is to lose weight, please stick to this. And I have this 3 seeds, flax, chai, and hemp. I got this from Walmart. You can get it anywhere. Flax, chai, and hemp. And you can use any milk of your choice. This is 2% milk. You can use whole milk, and you can alternate this with water. You can decide to use water to blend this. You can actually use soy milk too. That would be a good choice. And the cinnamon and nutmeg, any brand will work. So let's dive in. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to blend all the ingredients. So I'll be adding the egg. Now I will add the spinach. And the quantity of the spinach you'll be using actually depends on the quantity of pancake you want to make and how green you want your pancake to be. So I'm going to add the 2 eggs. And I'll add the flax, the chai, and hemp seeds. And you can actually use a tablespoon of this, and keep in mind the quantity depends on the quantity of what you're making, and add 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to add my cup of milk. And the next thing I'll be doing is to blend all this. Oh, and also you can decide to add your flour now, or you can mix it by hand, but to make it easier, it's better you add your flour. So I'll be using 2 cups of flour. 2 cups of flour. And now I'll just blend all the ingredients. Yes. We're ready, right? So I blended the keto spinach pancake. And here is it. You see. And the next thing I'm going to do now is I'll start to put this in the pan. This is actually good for people that want to lose belly fat, you want to lose weight. This is a very good recipe that you should try at home with your loved ones. So So I'll actually be adding sugar, little sugar, and I'm using a raw cane sugar. You can use any sugar of your choice. The one I'm using is a raw cane sugar. Just little. This is optional. So I added 1 tablespoon of that. And I'll be adding baking powder. I'll be adding ½ tablespoon of baking powder. And also I'll be adding ½ tablespoon of nutmeg. ½ tablespoon of cinnamon. And I'll be adding salt to taste. Half tablespoon of salt to taste. So the next thing I'll be doing is to mix everything together. I'm still making the keto spinach pancake. Now I'll be making the pancake, and you want to set your pan to 370 to 420. What I'll be using for these. This. So I'll just go ahead and start adding. So I'll let this sit for a while. I'll say give it like less than 5 minutes before you start turning. And this will be ready very soon. And so we're still making the spinach, the keto spinach pancake. You see the color? I love this color already. And let's try to turn. And by the way, I spray this with the oil so that it won't stick. Yeah, so try to press down. We don't want it to be burnt, and at the same time, we want this to cook very well. The pancake is ready. As you can see, this looks so delicious, even looking at it. If you like this video, please share with your friends, with your loved ones, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do a lot of videos like this all the time, so that together we can stay healthy, look young, look beautiful, and also lose the belly fat, lose that weight for good. It's still your girl, Cecelia O, and my YouTube channel is Cecelia O's World. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye for now. Pancake. Hold on. I love you all. Bye.